Hello my lovely tea cakes, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here then you are very lucky because, well, my channel is varied, so you can expect things such as lifestyle, vlogs, shopping hauls, try-on hauls, makeup tutorials, baking tutorials, reviews. Again, it's varied. So today we are going to be unboxing a parcel. Hey, right, finally. So, ready, let's get started. So we've got this little booklet. The mission: to make nutritionally complete, convenient, affordable food with minimal impact on animals and the environment. Also, we've got a little booklet with everything in it. Right, so I have ordered this nutritionally complete food. So it's like a powder, you mix it with water, and I went for cinnamon swirl. I'm so excited to try this. So I think the plan is to do 24 hours just having this and see how I feel. It's just interesting, you know. So you do 500 milliliters of water to your shaker and add 2 level scoops of Huel. Shake hard for 10 seconds until smooth. If you want to be precise, use scales, blah blah blah. But yeah, these are like nutritionally complete, so that's all you really need to have. Everything's in there. It's packed full of loads of nutrients, vitamins and minerals. Yeah, so I'm really excited to try this, so we shall crack on with that shortly. So that's one thing. And here is the shaker it comes with. Wow, look at that. That's cool. That's really cool. Do not put hot water in your shaker. Mix your Huel with cold water. Make sure to lock the bottle and spout cap to the body securely before shaking. Do not over tighten the cap. Caution when shaking. Shaker may slip if hands are wet. If you drop your shaker, please check that the bottle is still locked securely to prevent leaks. Dishwasher safe, but hand washing will preserve the logo from... Oh yeah, of course. Avoid using a scourer pad to prevent scratching the surface. After you rinse well with water and shake, this will make cleaning easier. Oh. So you got your little attachment to keep the lumps and bumps out, make it nice and smooth. That's cool. I like it. I like it. So that bottle came free because I bought the pack of the nutritionally complete powder, and then it also came with a t-shirt, size small, women's Huel top. Look at that. Oh, that feels really nice. Let's try it on. What do we think? Oh, it's cool. I like it. It fits really nicely. I love it. Put this light on so it's brighter. That's nice. I love it. Right, there's our scoops. So we do 1, 2. I don't know why we have 2 scoops, because you could just do 1, 2, but oh well. 2 scoops for in the powder. Oh, there's another 2. That'll be for the food. Oh yeah, so I also got some food. So we've got Nutritionally Complete Tomato and Herb. How do you do this? Is it pasta or what? What is it? I just grabbed anything. Add 210 millilitres of boiling water and stir thoroughly. Cover and leave for 5 minutes. Or add 250 millilitres of water and stir thoroughly. Cover and stir, recover and microwave for 1 minute. Tomato and herb gluten-free nutritionally complete food with rice, quinoa and vegetables. Lovely. So that's the same again. How many scoops was that? 2 scoops. You've got scoops for your food and the scoops for your shakes. So yeah, tomato and herb, Thai green curry with rice, quinoa and vegetables. So I think they all come like that. And sweet and sour. So yeah, you just add water to all of these, and it came with this little tub to eat from. How cute is that? I love it. Little Huel like cup. Pot tips. Pot is dishwasher safe, but hand washing will preserve the pot for longer. Do not transport prepared hot and savoury or boiling water in your pot. Always hold upright when pot contains hot and savoury. After use, add some water and shake this. This will make cleaning easier. Also, this is how you make it. Ensure pouch contents are mixed thoroughly. Add 2 level scoops of Huel, hot and savoury, to your pot. Boil water. Fill to line with boiling water. Oh yeah, there's a little line on the inside here. Stir thoroughly. Cover with lid and leave for 5 minutes before eating. I'm really excited to test this all out. Very interesting. Let's see, you can even like travel with these, which is really good as well. But it'll be good to see. Like how it goes just on the like shake, and then how it'll go like with the meals. But we'll do the shake like 24 hours just doing the shake, and then we'll get the food in there. So right, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow me on my social media, which is BigLucyTea99 on Instagram and BigLuce99 on Snapchat. And you can support me on my Patreon, which is LucyTea, LucyTea. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Oh wait, I need to take a picture of this. Hold on. Need a picture. Where is my phone? Right. Camera. No. Timer. 10 seconds. Flash on. Let's do this. Right. Beautiful. Oh, Jason. Hello. Hello. What trying to say?